Hi friends, good morning all of you. Today I am going to start a new chapter, that is similar triangles. Chapter number 8, 10th class mathematics, English medium, APSC art. Right, similar triangles. Before going to triangles concept, first of all we will see what is similarity. What is similar? That means if you take two objects, you need to check whether those two objects are similar or not. On what thing you will base think on? We will base on the shape of the objects. If the shape of the two objects is same, then we can say that those two objects or those two figures are similar. Then what about size? Size is not at all important. Sometimes size may be equal, sometimes size may not be equal. Even if the shapes are same in both the conditions, then we can say that those two figures are similar. Am I right? Are you getting my point? So, similarity of two objects. In general, I am talking. In general, if you want to check whether two objects are similar or not, then we have to check the shape of those two objects. Size is not at all important here. If the sizes are equal, no problem at all. If the sizes are not at all equal, then also no problem. If the shapes are equal, if the shapes are same, then we can say that those two objects are similar. Shapes and sizes are also equal, then also the objects are similar. No problem at all. Yes, that is in general. If we come to our mathematics, I am not talking about triangles. We will come later. I am talking generally similar figures. Next, polygons. If you come to mathematics, what diagrams we have? We have polygons in geometry. What is a polygon? A polygon is a closed figure formed by three or more line segments. Are you getting my point? Yes. A polygon is a closed figure formed by three or more line segments. Next, regular polygon. What is a regular polygon? A polygon in which all sides and all angles are equal, then that polygon is said to be a regular polygon. Next, generally we have seen similar figures. Now we are going to apply that similarity concept to our polygons. If two polygons are said to be similar, what we have to check? Two polygons are said to be similar. First of all, those two polygons should have same number of sides. Then only we will take the concept similarity. Are you following, friends? Yes. Two polygons with the same number of sides are similar if corresponding angles are equal. The second one is all corresponding sides are in the same ratio. That means in proportionality. If two polygons are said to be similar, those two polygons need to satisfy two conditions. The first condition is all the corresponding angles in those two polygons are equal. The second condition is all the sides, corresponding sides, not sides, all the corresponding sides ratio should be same. If those two polygons are following these two conditions, then we can say that those two polygons are similar polygons. Have you got my point? Next, one more concept, one more word, scale factor. What is a scale factor? A scale factor is the ratio of corresponding sides in the diagram. Okay friends, so we have taken generally concept, similarity concept, and next we come to our polygons. regular polygon. Next, similarity of polygons. Next, scale factor. We will see similarity of polygons with examples. Based on the example, if you check it thoroughly, definitely you will get the fulfilled concept. Okay friends? Yes. What we have learned? The polygon similarity. If two polygons are said to be similar, those two polygons needs to satisfy two conditions. The first condition is corresponding angles are equal. Second one is corresponding sides are in the same ratio. That means same in proportion. Right. I am taking two polygons. Are these two polygons or not? Yes. Polygons. Closed figure formed by 4 line segments. Closed figure formed by 4 line segments. I have taken two polygons. Am I right? I want to check whether these two polygons are similar or not. Name the polygons ABCD, square ABCD. This polygon is PQRS. I want to check whether these two are similar or not. This is a square, right? This is also a square. That means in square all sides are equal. This is 5 centimeters. This side also 5 centimeters. This side also 5 centimeters. This side also 5 centimeters. I have taken two squares. Squares are also polygons. Next, what about this square PQRS? PQRS 9 centimeters side. So this side also 9 centimeters. This side also 9 centimeters. This side also 9 centimeters. Am I right? Now, I want to check whether these two polygons are similar or not. What I have to check? I have to check these two conditions. What is the first condition? Corresponding angles are equal. What are the corresponding angles in these two diagrams? First of all, angle A is one angle, angle B, angle C, angle D. These are the angles of ABCD. P, angle Q, angle R, angle S. These are the angles of square PQRS. Corresponding angles. Angle A is corresponding angle to angle P. Angle A is corresponding angle to angle P. Next, angle B is corresponding angle to angle Q. Angle B is corresponding angle to angle Q. Next, angle C is corresponding angle to angle R. Angle C is corresponding angle to angle R. Next, angle D is corresponding angle to angle S. Now, what you have to prove? Corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle B. Angle B is equal. Angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle C equal to angle R. Angle D is equal to angle S. That we need to show. See, whatever the square you take, what are their angles? In this square ABCD, each angle is 90 degrees. Am I right? Properties of squares. Each angle of a square is 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. This also 90 degrees. This also 90 degrees. This also 90 degrees. Am I right? Next, take this. This is also a square, right? In this also, each angle is 90 degrees. Now check corresponding angles. Angle A 90, angle B 90. So corresponding angles are equal. Not one angle. We have to check all the corresponding angles. Am I right? So angle A is equal to angle B, that equal to 90 degrees. Next corresponding angles. Angle B, angle Q 90, 90. Same. Angle B is equal to angle Q, that equal to 90 degrees. Next angle C 90, angle R 90. These two corresponding angles are also equal. Angle D, angle S. Angle D, angle S. So, corresponding angles are equal. First condition satisfied. Next comes the second condition. Corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Corresponding sides need to be in the same ratio? Yes, we will check. Corresponding angles are over. Next, come to corresponding sides. AB is correspondence with PQ. Side AB, side PQ. These two are corresponding sides. What they are asking? Corresponding sides are in the same ratio. First we have to find the ratio of corresponding sides. What is its ratio? These two are corresponding sides. We have to find the ratio of these two sides. What is ratio? AB by PQ. Ratio of corresponding sides. AB by PQ. What is AB? Length of AB 5 centimeters by PQ 9 centimeters. So 5 by 9. No cancellation, right? Next corresponding sides. BC is correspondence with the QR. That means the ratio BC by QR. How much? BC 5 by QR 9. Next, CD is correspondence with the RS. CD by RS equal to 5 by 9. Am I right? CD 5, RS 9. Next, DA. Side DA is corresponding side to SP. Right. DA how much? 5 centimeters. By SP how much? 9 centimeters. Right? The ratio of corresponding sides is same. Am I right? The ratio of corresponding sides is same. All 5 by 9s. Right? So, second condition also satisfied. Corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So, these two polygons are satisfying these two conditions. That means these two polygons ABCD square PQRS are similar polygons. Okay, have you got it? Similar polygons. Yes. What is the relation between two equilateral triangles? See this example. Equilateral triangles. I am taking two equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Right? This is 2 centimeters, say. This is also 2. ABC. This is PQR. Right? ABC, PQR. 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. I am taking this one as 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. This is one equilateral triangle. This is also one type of equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. Then, what is the relation? Are these two similar or not? We have to check. What is the first condition? Corresponding angles are equal. In equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. This is also equilateral triangle. So, 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. So, all corresponding angles, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. Next, corresponding sides should be in the same ratio. Corresponding sides should be in the same ratio, right? AB is corresponds to PQ. So, AB by PQ equal to 2 by 3. The same way BC by QR equal to BC 2 by QR 3. Next CA by RP equal to 2 by 3. Corresponding sides ratio is equal. That means all corresponding sides are in the same ratio, proportional. So these two equilateral triangles satisfy these two conditions. Though equilateral triangles are similar. By saying these two examples, see what is this? Can you say that this is a regular polygon? Regular polygon. What is regular polygon? I have taken definition. Regular polygon. A polygon in which all sides and all angles are equal. All sides are equal. All angles are equal. Am I right? All sides are equal. All angles are equal. These two are regular polygons. See, in this example, sides are equal, all sides are equal, all angles are equal. All sides are equal, all angles are equal. These two also regular polygons. From these two examples, we can conclude that all regular polygons are similar. All regular polygons are similar. We can take that conclusion. Right? All regular polygons are similar. Next, symbolic form of similarity. Symbolic form of similarity. Just a minute. Yes. Have you noted it out? Yes, thank you. See, symbolic form. Here, square ABCD, square PQRS, these two are similar. How can we represent in symbolic form in mathematics? Square ABCD is similar. This is the symbol for similarity. This is the symbol for similarity. Square ABCD is similar to square PQRS. In the same way, triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, friends. So this is, we can write it as is similar to. Is similar to. Okay. So this is a symbolic form of our similarity. Okay, friends. All squares. We can conclude that all squares are similar. All squares are similar. Next, all equilateral triangles also similar. When they are given two equilateral triangles, whatever the sides may be, two equilateral triangles are similar. Two squares are similar. Two circles are similar. Two circles also similar. What are the radius? So from this, the similarity concept and its symbolic form is over. We will see in the next class with other concepts. Thank you for watching. Thank you.